People who do the pre-booking for Ola electric scooter, our viewers and their subscribers also share their opinion, their internal feeling. They're saying that no to nearest electric scooter, no to neighboring electric scooter, waiting only for the Ola electric scooter. But will I going to end up riding a pillow watching from the purchase window? So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Earlier Ola said whoever made the final payment, they can do the final payment by October 18th or October 25th. Now recently they have postponed the payment gateway for November 10th, which means they have postponed for another 2 weeks. And moreover, people who want to test ride the Ola electric scooter, later they want to decide and buy. It seems to be a disappointing factor for them, because so far Ola Electric is accepting the test ride for the customer whoever made the payment. Only for the user they are allowing the test rides. So it is like a prepaid customers only they are offering the test rides. In case if you want to test ride the Ola electric scooter and decide whether to buy it or not, definitely you may need to wait for some time. The reason they have already postponed the launch date. Now when they are going to launch the experience centers, only when they started the experience centers, maybe Still it is yet to clear whether Ola Electric going to offer test rides for people who haven't done the pre-booking for the electric scooter. See, in India, most of the users want to have a hands-on experience first, then only they are deciding to buy the vehicle. Especially in the electric vehicle segment, most of the people having several doubts, will it going to work or not? For my comfort, they have a lot of expectations. But in this scenario, Ola is yet to reveal what is the strategy behind this. And also the EV enthusiasts are wondering why Ola electric scooter are spotted during this testing. See, it's almost nearing to the launch event. Why they are being spotted every time they spotted in Bengaluru for testing? The EV enthusiasts are surprised. They should have completed the testing already. But now we are seeing some scenarios like they are spotted testing in this area and that area. In addition to that, people who pre-booked Ola electric scooter, there are several customers complaining that if they pre-book for particular pin code location, in their booking strategy, it is showing some other location. So this is one more concern they need to clarify on this. And one more thing, they have promoted their hyper fast charging network. You can charge Ola electric scooter 50% in just 18 minutes. But there is no update about the hyper fast charging network. When Ola Electric going to do this hyper fast charging network? Will they start it? Are they going to start, or will they going to start this fast charging network? And again they need to clarify on this particular point. And everybody know that people are saying that my delivery dates are changing. And another thing is about the performance upgrade. And people are still having a lot of doubts about this performance upgrade. And finally, Ola Electric is charging for the road tax, even though the customers, state government already waive off this road tax in their particular location. And this particular points, Ola customer support is been responding, and okay, so you don't need to worry about it. We have a vote. That is what they are clarifying from their end. But still, people are waiting for this Ola electric scooter for the main reason, the branding of Ola. And it is a big brand, so definitely people trust this brand of Ola Electric. So that is the reason people are waiting for Ola Electric. And the second thing, their marketing strategy. They did great in the marketing. And also the third thing, it's about the affordable pricing. That is one of the main reasons people are still eagerly waiting for Ola Electric. And finally, it's about the highlighted features. Several features they said it is going to be a revolutionary electric scooter. After looking at all the circumstances, EV enthusiasts are thinking that dragging the delivery date of Ola Electric, just like what the Simple Energy did. They launched the vehicle but they are unsure about the delivery dates. Now Ola is also doing, they are dragging the delivery dates. It may affect the trust factor about Ola Electric. So make sure Ola Electric will launch their electric scooter at any cost in November. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do subscribe to Electric Vehicles channel. And for faster updates, please do follow our Facebook page, website and Telegram group. Go green, go electric.